Real estate has proven to be one of the safest way to save your money. Welcome back to my channel once again, Boma's Home. Today I will be discussing with you the cost of building a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom. On the total floor area for this building is 119 square meter. A design like this is very suitable for someone that has maybe like 300 square meter, which is a plot of land to build on, and it has a very unique design. On the ground floor for this particular project, we have a 1-bedroom, which is 1 room, living room, kitchen and toilet, and also visitor room. On the other apartment, still on the ground floor, we have 2-bedroom, which is a living room, 2-bedroom, kitchen, visitor toilet. While on the first floor, we are having a 3-bedroom with a very spacious main lounge, which is the living room. A design like this is very unique, and it gives you an opportunity to have a resident in the building. So today, as I promised you that leading towards December, I'll be giving you a lot of fantastic design that you can actually spend your money on now that you are coming home for dirty December. And for our people I just got back, you can have this type of project running for you. So today we will start. Usually this is a Carcass cost only, and this Carcass work is divided into 4 stages. Work below ground floor slab, which popularly called the German floor. Stage 2 is ground floor column, lintel and block work. Stage 3 is first floor beam, slab, column, lintel, block work and roof beam. While stage 4 is roof work. So concrete fascia and the Carcass works and covering. So like we said, the features of this building. So we said it has a 1-bedroom apartment and also 2-bedroom apartment, all on the ground floor. And on the first floor, we are having a 3-bedroom. So now we go into the cost of this particular project. For stage 1, which is the foundation works up to the ground floor slab, popularly called the German floor. For block work, we need 9 inches block for our foundations, and we require 1,400, and that costs us 1,120,000 naira. For cement to lay the block, we need 28 bags of cement. That costs us 285,600 naira. And sharp sand to lay the block, 2 trips, and that will cost us 500,000 naira. Now we go into the concrete works for this project. The concrete work, which is the footing, the column base, column and the German floor. For cement required, we need 246 bags of cement, and that will cost us 2,509,200 naira. And sharp sand, 4 trip, that will cost us 1 million naira. Granite, 3 trip, 1,785,000 naira. 16 mm reinforcement, 21 length, that will cost 409,500 naira. 12 mm reinforcement, 172 length, that will cost 1,886,451 naira 61 kobo. 10 mm for our links of styrope, 10 length, that will cost us 77,667 naira 67 kobo. And binding wire, 1 row, 45,000 naira. For our 1x12 softwood for formwork, 14 pieces, that will cost 70,000 naira. While 2x3, 25 pieces, that will cost us 37,500 naira. And our 3 inches nail, 1 bag, 25,000 naira. 4 inches nail, 1 bag, 25,000 naira. For our filling, upon the completion of our block work, we need 8 trips. That will cost us 880,000 naira. While waterproofing, we need 120 kg. That will cost 192,000 naira. And the subtotal for the foundation works is 10,847,319 naira 28 kobo. And we add contingency of 5% to this cost. The total will give us 11,389,685 naira 25 kobo. We are going to break this cost down to euro, pounds, and dollar. For euro, that will be 6,345. While for pounds, it will be 6,915. And for dollar, 7,942. For our stage 2, which is column, lintel, and block work. For block works, 9 inches block, we need 2,500. That costs us 2 million naira. 6 inches blocks, 700. That will cost 490,000 naira. Cement to lay the block, 64 bags. That will cost 652,000 naira, 800 naira. Sharp sand, 5 trip. That is 1,250,000 naira. Our concrete work, which is column and lintel, we need cement 30 bags, 306,000 naira. Sharp sand, 1 trip, 250,000 naira. Granite, 1 trip, 595,000 naira. This particular granite, we are still going to have a leftover from it that we are going to reuse in the subsequent stages. So our 16 mm reinforcement, 41 length, that will cost 799,500 naira. Our 12 mm reinforcement, 32 length, that will cost 350,967 naira 74 kobo. And our 10 mm 9 length, 69,360 naira 90 kobo. For binding wire, we need 1 roll, that is 45,000 naira. So for our 1x12 softwood and our 2x3 softwood, we are going to reuse what we have in our stage 1. So it's always advisable that at every stage, the formwork should be carefully removed and keep for the next stage, so that this will help us to make some savings in the cost of the construction. Now, for our 4 inches nail, we need 1 bag, that is 25,000 naira. 3 inches nail, we need 1 bag, 25,000 naira. Bamboo, we need 40 length of bamboo, that is 48,000 naira. And our total for this stage 2 is 6,906,628 naira 64 kobo. We are adding 5% contingencies to this cost, and the total will give us 7,251,960 naira 8 kobo. So we are going to stage 3. So we are breaking this cost down to euro, pounds, and dollar. And for dollar, for euro, it will be 4,040 euro. While for pounds, it will be 4,403 pounds. And for dollar, it will be 5,057 dollar. For our stage 3, this is where we are doing a lot of work in the course of this construction. We are doing our beam, slab, column, lintel, stairs, block work, and the roof beam. So for our block work, 9 inches block, 2,500. That is 2 million naira. 6 inches block, 950 block, 665,000 naira. Cement, 69 bag, 703,800. Sharp sand, 5 trip, 1,250,000. For our concrete work, which is for our beam, lintel, column, and slab, cement, 263 bags of cement, that is 2,682,600 naira. Sharp sand, 5 trip, 1,250,000. Granite, 4 trip, 2,380,000. 16 mm reinforcement, 51 length, that is 994,500. 12 mm, 266, 2,917,419 naira 35 kobo. 10 mm 38 length 292,857 naira 14 kobo. Our binding wire 2 row 90,000. 1 by 12 salt foot for our slab 173 pieces 865,000. 2 by 3 70 pieces 105,000. 3 inches nail 2 bag 50,000. 4 inches nail 1 bag 25,000. Bamboo 230 pieces 276,000 naira. Our subtotal for this stage is 60,547,176 naira 50 kobo. We are adding 5% of this to this cost, and the total will give us 17,374,535 naira 32 kobo. We are breaking this cost down to euro, pounds, and dollar. While for euro is 9,679, and for pounds is 10,549, while for dollar is 12,116. Stage 4, which is our last stage for this Carcass work for the construction of this 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom apartment, is our concrete fascia, roof carcass, and roof covering. For our concrete fascia, we need cement 19 bag, that is 193,800 naira. Sharp sand, that is 125,000 naira. Granite, 1 trip of 20 tons, that is 300,000 naira. 12 mm reinforcement, 22 length, 224,400 naira. 10 mm reinforcement, 5 length, 54,838 naira 71 kobo. Binding wire 1 row 45,000 naira. 1 by 12 salt wood. This is going to be sewn to different sizes. 19 pieces, that is 95,000 naira. 2 by 3, 32 pieces, 48,000 naira. For our nails, we are going to still have a lot of nails available in the other stages of work that we've carried out. So we are reusing what we have already. So now, for our carcass and covering, our carcass members, 2 by 2, 103, that's 123,600. 2 by 4, 73, 131,400. 3 by 4, 59, 118,000. 2 by 3, 158, 237,000. And our nails, 2 inches, 3 inches nail, 2 bag, 52,000. 4 inches nail, 2 bag, 52,000. For our stone coated roof, our total square meter is 264 square meter, and that gives us 1,425,600 naira. For other materials, accessory that we need is 220,968,000 naira, and our total for this stage is 3,446,606 naira 71 kobo. We are adding contingencies of 5% to this cost. The total will give us 3,618,937 naira 5 kobo. We bring this cost down to euro, pounds, and dollar. For euro is 2,016, while for pounds is 2,197, and for dollar is 2,523. Our general summary for the construction of this 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom apartment. Our total in naira is 39,635,117 naira 69 kobo. So, and for euro is 22,080 euro, while for pounds is 24,065 pounds, and for dollar is $27,639. So this is the cost for the construction of this 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom apartment here in Nigeria in November 2025. If you need architectural drawing, structural drawing, a bill of quantity for your construction, please do well to send us a DM, and we'll be more than willing to assist you in any way we can. See you on the next one. Thank you.